Hey, it's Jae Davis, best-selling author of You Do What. Have you consistently been executing events as a brand ambassador, team lead, and product specialist, and now you're ready to move into the tour sector of the experiential marketing industry, but you don't know how? Or maybe you've already been applying for tour after tour after tour, but to no avail. You have yet to be awarded your first tour opportunity. Well, my EXP Level Up Fast Track course is going to assist you in obtaining and maintaining consistent tour opportunities as an experiential marketing professional. Over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to show you how to create and perfect your resume, how to ensure that you're able to kill any interview and appeal to the account manager, staffing coordinator, as well as the client, how to maintain consistent tour opportunities for years to come, and so much more. It's a jam-packed course, and I can't wait to mentor you and coach you along the way. In this course, I'm only going to be opening it up to a select amount of people, so make sure you go ahead and reserve your spot today, and I can't wait to assist you in obtaining consistent tour opportunities for years to come.